Welcome back, students. So by reading this case, we can understand that violation of law is done here, and we know that these laws are made by Constituent Assembly, and it is clearly said in Constituent Assembly that there should be no arbitrary exercise of power. Arbitrary exercise of power means the government will not work according to the wish of anybody. So there should be rules, and that rules are applied for everybody. All are equal before the law. So they therefore instituted several provisions in the constitution that would establish the rule of law. So that is why in the constitution so many provisions are there, and the most important provision of all these, that all person in independent India are equal before the law. That means everybody, whether it is prime minister, whether it is president, any rickshaw puller, any beggar, law is equal for everybody. Everybody is equal before the law. The law cannot discriminate between person on the basis of their religion, caste, gender, or any other things. So according to the constitution, law cannot discriminate between two persons on the basis of their religion, caste, or gender. Now, what the rule of law means is that all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country, and no one can be above the law. So rule of law, this is very important provision which is written in the constitution, and its meaning is all laws apply equally to all the citizens of the country. So all the citizens, they are equally treated according to the law. There is no difference, and no one can be above the law. Neither a government official, nor a wealthy person, nor even the president of the country is above the law. Understood this? So neither whether a person is a government official, whether a person is rich, or a president or the president of the country, nobody is above the law according to rule of law. Rule of law means everybody is equal before the law. And if any crime or violation is done, so for every kind of crime and violation of law, a specific punishment is also written in the constitution according to the guilt of the person. But was it always like this? Now the question arises, but was it always like this? Earlier also this thing was there. The law was equal for everybody. Everybody was equal before law. So the answer is, in ancient India, there were innumerable and often overlapping local laws. We will discuss this in the next video.